Hey my friends, what's going on? It's your boy Keder on a beautiful day, my friends. So pound that for watching this video, pow! So in this video today, guys, I want to teach you a skill set that's going to enable you to create $1,000 with Google or more. This strategy is something that I paid a lot of money to learn, and I'm teaching it to you for free. So if you're on this channel, you haven't subscribed, if it's the first time you find my channel, definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I drop videos like this one every single day, teaching business owners, entrepreneurs, and other people who wants to create a lifestyle and a business around their lifestyle, build a business online. I teach them the skill set, the mindset, and give you the tools that is required for success. So definitely subscribe down below. I'm gonna jump into the computer and I'm gonna teach you exactly step by step how to do it for free. You won't have to pay anything with the process that I'm gonna teach you. I'll show you a couple of different websites that you're gonna need and a couple of different tools, but you can get all of that stuff for free. So let's jump into it right now. Let's go. You go hard or you go home. You know what's gonna happen for yourself, guys. I can tell you, you can change your life. Okay guys, we are now in my computer. The way you can make $1,000 this week or more is by implementing this strategy that I'm gonna teach you, okay? So first thing, what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna need to create a website, okay? Now, it's not gonna be crazy. I'm gonna show you how to get it done fast, and I'm also gonna show you how to get a template to get it done. So what we're gonna do in this video, guys, we're gonna provide services to businesses, already existing businesses that need that service. Now, there's so many different services we can go to, but I'm gonna use the example of a dentist, okay? So I live in Orlando, look, whatever city. So if you go into Google, you put dentist, chiropractor, we'll do it for other things, but let's do dentist, for example, okay? So we have dentists at Champions Gate, we have dentists in Orlando. So now what we wanna do is check out those people's website. So you come here, you can check out their website. More likely, they're gonna have, okay, you can see, they have a plain website that says make an appointment, okay, on top over here. So, but they're not getting traffic or marketing. So what we're gonna do is provide traffic and leads for those people in the hope that they're gonna hire us to do the job. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. First thing, you're gonna need a software called ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels allow you to build different pages real fast. So you can get a free account with them for 14 days, which can give you on a 14-day trial, so you're not spending much in the front end with this. Once you get ClickFunnels, now I already have an account, I'm gonna log in. So we're gonna build a website, okay? Once we already have a bunch of funnel built, so you're gonna go to ClickFunnels. And this is where it gets really easy, guys. You're gonna go to the funnel marketplace. They already have a bunch of funnel pre-existing that people already made. Some of them are free, some of them you're gonna have to pay for, some of them they are very cheap. So you can spend like $97 so that you can start making thousands of dollars by having the templates already existing. Now, if you wanna create it yourself, I'll show you how you can create it yourself real quick. It's gonna take you a little bit more time to create it, but if you don't have the money, you don't want to buy it, you can create it. I'll show you how to create it, but let me show you the templates real quick. They have a bunch of templates here. I'm gonna click on see all. Those people, we know they need leads and traffic. And let's put dentist. So they already have a bunch of templates that's already existed. Look at this one, $147, $97. Those are called funnel, okay? So let's look at this one. It shows you what the funnel is gonna have in it. Let me make it a little bit bigger so that we can see it, okay? The ultimate dentist funnel. So this is what they have: book a free teeth cleaning appointment. So kind of similar to what that person have on the website, but over here, what's going on, what's a little bit different than this. Over here, you're getting a little bit more data. Over here, you would be getting a capture page where you're capturing the person's information with this. Okay, so you get the person's information, and this is the thank you page. You can see the information, you kind of can see the picture, the congratulation page. So call us, this is the time. So this is the template that's already existing. Once you buy it, it will go into your funnel. So now you will have that funnel. Now if you don't want to buy it, you can create something similar. Come here and click on Apton, and you can add a new step. So you create an app then yourself. If you want to model after what they got, it's easy to create. You can actually look at what they have. If you already have some skills on how to create a funnel, you can create it. You can create the website yourself. But if you don't want to go through into creating, you can just buy one for $47, for $97, and then you go out there, you start offering your services. Now, I'm going to show you why this service is going to be valuable. So you can just select that, and then you make the changes. Okay, so this is a capture page. You can change the headlines that's on there and say something like, you know, get a free teeth cleaning session today. Okay, and then we could put, you know, and this is drag and drop. So whatever you need in this, you just click it. That's what I love with ClickFunnels, and it's gonna give you headline, subheadline, paragraph, bullet points, whatever you want to put on the capture page, you can put. So if I want to put something like right under there that says something like get your teeth cleaning today, okay, guarantee your consultation, put your info below. Okay, so now they're gonna give me their name, their email. Definitely, you know, when you're talking about a regular business, they always want phone numbers. So you want to capture the lead's phone number. You go ahead and submit form. So it's gonna be an input. So it's drag and drop. So this is not an email address, so I'm gonna change it to a phone number instead of email address over here. So we're gonna change it to phone number. So now we're gonna have the phone number. We're gonna change it over here and put phone number. So you can say phone number. See, it's drag and drop. And then now what I can do is just go change the background. You can just go to Google and get an image, teeth cleaning image. So that's if you wanna build it yourself. So I could just do this and just go to images, grab an image and upload that up. See that? Any of these images. This one, for example, before and after, I could just bounce that on there. Okay. Once you've done it, it's gonna look like something like this. Live in Orlando and surrounding area, get your teeth clicked today for free. Okay, you just need the name, the email, their phone number, boom. They can actually do that. So now what we're gonna do is drive traffic for like $5 a day for very cheap on Facebook to this page so that we can start getting leads. Now this is where you're gonna make the money when you start getting the leads. So I'm gonna show you how to get the traffic and the leads. Okay, now the marketplace, as I said earlier, if you don't want to go through all that process of doing it yourself, you can just come into the marketplace over here and you can just look at different ones they already have. Like this one, you can see this is a capture page. This is with a picture, which I showed you guys how to create this. But there's another one here that's $147. That looks like it's a little bit, there's a little bit more stuff inside of it. This comes with a video kind of breakdown for you. Let me see, this one has a little bit, the opt-in page look a little bit more robust. You can see the thank you page, download your 35%. So you can look even model after what they already have here. But if you want to buy the 147, you can come here, you buy one, and then boom. Once you do that, now the next stage would be going to Facebook now and set some Facebook ads so that you can get traffic and leads. So we're gonna jump into Facebook real quick. So what I'm gonna do, just go ahead and use one of my accounts here, and we're gonna set up a Facebook ads. You go to Facebook, you set up a Facebook fan page. You know, you can do a Facebook fan page for teeth cleaning, and then you can do a Facebook fan page for whatever niches. Because this thing, if you really want to do it, guys, you can make a killing because there's different businesses that would pay you for traffic and leads. So we're gonna come here, we're gonna create a campaign, and in the campaign, what we're gonna focus on, it's a lead generating campaign. Okay, so we're gonna click on lead generation because we're gonna get traffic and leads. That's what we're looking to get. So we're gonna set up the page. Okay, and now we're gonna set up an ad. So, you know, dentist. Okay, and we would select our page after we create the page. Okay, so if you have a fan page, you create the page, it'll give you access to the fan page. Or if you don't have one yet, just click here to create fan page. It's gonna bring up the option. You just click local business. It's gonna ask you for the info of the local business. Boom, you're good to go. You put an image, just grab an image of Google, you're good to go. Okay, let's go into setting it up. So we're looking at, you know, 18 to 65. Okay, we can target those people. So we're gonna change the targeting to your location. So whatever city that you in. So let's say I want to do it for Orlando, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and put Orlando, and what you're gonna do is to increase the miles, like right here, so that you can get a bigger area. You see that? Now it's gonna cover Tampa. It's gonna cover 50 miles radius, so it's gonna give you more people to target. You can see it grew to 3.4 million people. So of those 3.4 million people, I'll be showing them the ad real quick. So I'm gonna do $5 a day. I'm not looking to spend a lot of money. You know, even if you want to do $2 a day, guys, there's something you can test at $2 a day. That's 14 bucks. You can start getting traffic and leads from there. And then once you get that set up, you just grab the image, you set up the ad. Okay, so for our Facebook ads, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna upload that image inside of Facebook real quick, and then it could be get a free cleaning consultation today. Okay, they're just gonna go to your website. So you just put in whatever the link that you have for your ClickFunnels site. So you'll just grab that link. Okay, so the second thing you're gonna need, since you're getting traffic and leads, you're gonna need to connect it to an autoresponder. So now I'm gonna get the person's name and email and phone number when they sign up. All I'm doing right now on Facebook is running my ads for $5 a day, targeting people in Orlando, and this is it. Then you start getting leads. Now here's where it's gonna get really fun, because there's this thing called the gatekeeper. So when you're building businesses, when you're doing this type of business, you're gonna have the gatekeeper who's actually gonna try to stop you from getting the business done. So this is where you set it up right here. Integration, you get that in. So, but what's gonna happen? The gatekeepers, a dentist, if you call them, they probably doing their work. You're gonna have the receptionist, but every business needs traffic and leads. So if I call this business right now and say, hey, okay, this is their phone number, right? So let me look for dentist. So let's say this one. Okay, this is their phone number, 407. So they already have a website. So I can call those guys. They have an address, they have a phone number. I can call this guy or make an appointment. These are leads, and there's hundreds of them. If I go to the Google menu here, I can find a bunch of them. Okay, I can find so many of them. And then I just tell them, hey, I got a few people who's interested into getting the teeth clean. Would it be fine if I send you those people? And everybody wants businesses. Even me as a business owner, if someone comes to me and say, Keder, I'm gonna give you more traffic, more leads, guess what? I'm gonna tell them, yeah, heck yeah, I need more traffic and more leads. Send those people my way. And then now all you gotta do is start sending them those people. And then, once they got those appointments set up with those people, you get them a few leads. Next couple of days, you call them, hey, I'd like to come in and show you how I'm getting those leads and traffic. And then boom, you go in, you close them. Hey, I can have this process going on for you. Most of the time, those people, they're not generating traffic. They don't know how to create a sales funnel. They might have a website, but it's not a sales funnel. They don't have a follow-up system that's targeting people. They have a website that's just waiting for people to look for. But you're going out there and push clients and get them clients. It's totally different. It's a whole different ball game. And when they see, get someone in to clean their teeth for free, they can charge them with the back end. They can upsell them into, hey, you have a root canal, you have different things, you have a cavity you got to take care of. So they know what they're doing once the patient comes in, and this is going to be a patient that's going to be reoccurring for them. So they don't mind now paying you monthly for that service. Now you can come in and charge them, hey, I'm going to charge you $1,000 for that service. You also, now what you're going to do, if they want you to build a funnel for them, so now remember, you had went and get that funnel for $97. You can charge them $500 for the funnel. Okay, now you get your $97 back that you actually invest. You can go to another person, another dentist. So you keep making money off that funnel you already have existing. Now, restaurant, you could do the same thing. There's so many different niches. So you could finish doing that into that niche, you can go to the restaurants and different chef. Here you go. You know, this restaurant funnel, you can come here. This is $97. So you find those people that has restaurants, boom, you built a funnel for them. This funnel is giving a coupon. So you start actually giving coupon to the people in the local community. You have the name, the email, and now you can go and show that to the restaurant owner, and you can charge them to build a funnel for them. Now, let's say they say, hey, you know what? I want to have this thing. I know they're not going to have the time to run it. They don't want to pay you to run it. So even so, when you setting it up for them, you're going to go to your ClickFunnels account after you sign up. You're going to sign them up as an affiliate inside of your ClickFunnels. So that way, anytime they sign up, they would be signing up under your link. I'm going to go to my affiliate. You would be the one getting paid. So you're going to go to your ClickFunnels. You become an affiliate. Automatically, you have ClickFunnels. So you would be getting the commissions every time. Okay. So you come to your ClickFunnels back office, you're going to look in your affiliate link, you're going to click on affiliate, and then you're going to be able to have your own link. So now, okay, this is going to be your affiliate link right over here. So you're going to copy your affiliate link, and then every time you sign a new business, they're going to be signing up. ClickFunnels is going to be free for 14 days, and it's $97 a month. They paying to host their ClickFunnels, to host their funnel, right? And every time they pay $97, you're gonna get $37. Aweber, as they grow their list, they're gonna pay you, money also, referring commission. So you go get your link to those pages, and then you can start earning commissions. As you can see, you can start making money, even earning from the back end of ClickFunnels. Also, and Aweber, the same thing. So you could do that to multiple funnel, and then after that you can go for other people, chiropractors. There's so many different funnels in here. You can just buy some done for you funnel, guys, right? You buy some done for you funnel, or you can build them yourself. But if you have some money, I would definitely say invest into that. And you have those templates, and then boom, you can find this one, $147. Chiropractors, look at this one. It's a 5-star, and you can see what's gonna be inside of the funnel. Okay, generating lead for your business. It gives you all the information. So all that stuff is gonna be plugged in, already built for you inside of the system. And then you just go out there, you find those businesses, and you make money with them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Leave it a like, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, definitely drop a comment. Let me know what's up. Invite a couple of people to this channel. You can click on my face to subscribe. Also, click on one of those videos over here where you can get more stuff and learn more strategy to make money online, build a business. Let's go!